Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your false lashes. Now I know this can be a bit of a struggle when you're starting out, so I'm just here to give you a few tips that you can try and follow, and if you do follow them to the T, you won't struggle like I did when I started wearing false lashes. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Also press the notification. Okay, so as you can see, I've applied mascara on my lashes. It's very important that you apply mascara on your lashes. So to apply the lashes, you need either a pair of tweezers or this eyelash applicator right here. When you're starting out, that would be very nice to use because it helps act as a guide, sort of. But I just use my fingers to apply my lashes now. So on this lash, you can see how it's like, right? So you're gonna take your glue, right, and you're gonna apply a very thin layer, a very thin layer on the lash strip, like this. Right, so see, it's applied on and it's a very thin layer. If you apply a thin layer, it takes quicker to dry. If you apply a thicker layer, it's going to take longer to dry. You don't want that. With the white glue, I know that it takes it dries down clear. With the black glue, I'm not sure. So how do you know that it's okay for you to start applying your lashes? Is if your glue has dried down clear. So just make sure that you have your mirror on standby, your applicator, or if you use your fingers, do what works for you, boo. Make sure that by the time you're ready to apply your lashes, make sure that your glue is dried down clear and it's tacky, because that way when you apply your lashes, they're just gonna stick. If you apply your lashes and your glue is still a bit wet, then your eyelash is going to move around and then it's going to end up falling off, or it's not going to get stuck on properly. So I highly advise that you wait for your glue to get tacky, which means letting it dry down first. Right. So I think it's time for us to now apply our lash, because it has sort of like dried down clear. What you're going to do is, so I'm going to be using my mirror like here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the lash, right, so you can see. Your mirror you want to put like below your chin, right on your chest, and you want to look down like this, literally. And then you want to take your lash and you want to put it at an angle, like as if you want to put it down like this. So at an angle, you don't just hold it straight up like this. Put it down at an angle, and then you look down, right? You bring your lash closer. What you want to do, you want to apply your lash in the middle first. Then from the middle, it's easier to stick on the end and then the inner corner. So just watch and see if you can grasp anything from what I just said. Now I'm just fixing the end after I had applied it in the middle first, which is very important, and then go to the inner corner. Alright, you see it's stuck on. Now I'm going to use my fingers to just press both my natural lashes and the false lashes together. Ta-da! Simple. It's as simple as that. But you can also use your eyelash applicator to press them in between, like together, or you can even use your eyelash applicator or your tweezers to apply your lashes. It's just that sometimes a tweezer or these can poke my eyes, and then I get my eyes get irritated, and then they get watery, and then the lashes don't stick on properly. Child, like, so ghetto. So I just prefer to use my fingers. It's safer, it's simpler. Yeah, so I just want to recap. So once your glue is dried down and it's tacky, that's, guys, the secret to making sure your lashes are sitting properly and then they stick properly. Make sure your glue is tacky. Do not apply your lashes whilst the glue is still wet. You take your lash at an angle like this. You look down, mirror right here, and then you press or you put it on in the middle first. Then you pause, right? Then you press it in the middle, then you adjust it on the ends. Because now you're guided by the fact that it's stuck down in the middle. So it'll be easier for you to just pull it on the ends, place it where it needs to be, and then in your inner corners, same thing. And then you press them down, making sure that you merge it with your natural lashes. And then you're done. It's simple. But I do want to mention that applying eyelashes is not easy. Some days it's hard, some days it's easier. But I do want to mention that you gotta take your time. It takes time to learn. Just keep practicing, basically. That's all I have to say to you. Keep practicing, but with the tips that I've given you, you should be able to get it after a few tries. But keep practicing, and one day you'll just be doing these ones. And that's it. So that's it for me for today. I just came here to share with you guys on how to apply your false lashes, because false lashes really complete a makeup look. Or sometimes even if you're planning not to wear makeup, it's nice to just add on a pair of lashes and you look glamorous already. So this is me trying to help you guys, you know. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do not leave without subscribing. Yeah, I think that's about it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.